Hello, Alan. Am I audible?
Uh,
You were there in the last class, right?
yes, sir.
All right. So probability distribution, you are clear about that?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Mean of that expectation.
Yes, sir.
All right. So there is another thing you have to find out sometimes, which is variance. All right. What is variance? Let mu equals to a of x be mean of x. The variance of x is defined as sigma square. All right. Sigma square is noted as the variance equals to variance of x equals to summation I from 1 to n xi minus mu square into probability of xi. All right, this is one formula. We have another one also. Sigma square x equals to summation I equals to 1 n xi square p of xi minus summation I equals to 1 to n xi pi square. That is variance of x equals to expectation x square minus expectation x whole square. Please note down this formula. This is very important. We hardly use this formula. All right, note down. I'll explain by an example. And there is standard deviation also, which is sigma x. So under root of variance. Please note it down. Done, Ellen? Okay. So let me solve this with an example, explain this with an example. Suppose we have x and p of x is 0, 1, 2, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and 1 by 4. All right. How to find mean? Mean we have already seen. The formula is multiply these two, right? Summation of xi and p of xi. So 0 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 2 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 4. All right, Alan?
Yes, sir.
So expectation is 1. Now, what is variance? For variance, you just have to draw another table. As simple as that. Right? And this table will be x square. So 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Now what you have to find? Summation of probability of x square. Multiply this with the new table. So this will be 0 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 2 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4. So this will be 6 by 4, 3 by 2. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
So variance, if you have to calculate, and this is this quantity 3 by 2 minus expectation, which is 1. 1 by 2 is the answer. All right, very simple. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and standard deviation, just take under root, so 1 by 2. Please note it down, solve it. Tell me when you are done.
Yes, sir. I finished writing.
Sorry,
I'm done, sir.
done. All right. Try to solve one question. This is absolutely clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Find the variance and standard deviation of the number obtained on a throw of an unbiased dice. All right, I'll give you a few minutes for this.
I got 35 by 12.
Okay, I do not have the final answer, but if we do this,
It's 35 by
let me
12.
tell you, the answer is correct, right? Very simple steps.
Yes, sir.
Let's solve one more question in this. Or is it clear? You do not have to do much.
Yes, sir, I understand.
All right. So this chapter is also over. All right, Alan.
Yes, sir.
Write down LPP. All right, we don't have much time to go into deep theory, so I'll explain by examples. All right, what is LPP? LPP stands for linear programming problem. Sometimes what happens is we have few scenarios in our life where you have to maximize or minimize something. For an example, suppose you have two factors, factors A and B. It produces 250 cycles. It produces 300 cycles per day. And this costs you $5 per day. And this costs you $7 per day. So what you will do, suppose you have 10,000 rupees or $10,000. How much you should invest in factory A, how much you should invest in factory B. All right. Why we'll do that? To maximize our profits, right, Alan?
Yes, sir.
Right. So suppose I say I invest X in this, Y in this. So I can say 5X plus 7Y must be less than equal to 10,000, right? If I spend X days in this, Y days in this, so it will cost me 5 into X and this will cost me 7 into Y, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is called a constant. We cannot go beyond 10,000. We do not have that amount. And what you will do? 250X plus 300Y cycles will have. This is called Z. This is called objective function. This is called constant. And also we know X should be positive because it is number of days. Y should be positive. The equations are clear what I said.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do? Maximize the objective function. This is all the job you have to do in this chapter. Maximize or minimize. Here we have to maximize. Suppose the question was this is losses per day. So that you would have to minimize. So how to do that? Please note it down first.
Yes, sir.
Done, Alan?
Yes, sir.
Write down one question. Solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Maximize z equals to 4x plus y subject to the constant x plus y less than equal to 50, 3x plus y less than equals to 90, x is more than equals to 0. All right. So how to solve this? Always the first step is to solve these equations. All right. Forget about this. This is the last moment you will need. All the play will be done with these equations. So first, let's draw graph of x plus y less than equals to 50. How to draw this? Let's draw a table. X and y. When x is 0, y will be 50. When y is 0, x will be 50. Right?
Yes.
So when we draw the graph, this is 50, 0 and 0, 50. So line will pass like this. All right. But this is not done yet because this is inequality. So always take 0, 0 as the reference point. So when you put 0, 0 in x plus y less than 50, this becomes 0 plus 0 less than equal to 50, which is true. Right? 0 is less than equal to 50, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? All right. So what happens is that this line has divided the whole graph into two areas. One is this, right?
Yes, sir.
So if this statement is true, then this will be the area required. All right, this is our solution area, feasible region. Now what we'll do? We'll do the same thing for this 3x graph of 3x plus y less than equal to 90. Again a table, x and y. When x is 0, y is 90. When y is 0, x is 30. So 30, 0 and 0, 90. So line will be something like this. Again, let's put 0, 0 here. So this will also stand 2. So this will be the required area, right? And the third equation is x is positive. X more than 0. So can I say the common area between this is this one? This is A, B, and C and O. ABCO is the common area. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now all you have to do is find the coordinates of B. All right, all the corner points, these are called corner points. A, B, C, and O are called corner points. So find the coordinates. All right, tell me the coordinates of B.
Coordinates of B would be
You can find by solving these two equations, right? The intersection. You can solve x plus y equals to 50 and 3x plus y equals to 90 and find the intersection points, right?
yes, sir. 4x will be equal to 140. So then x will be equal to 140 by 4, which is
No,
equal
no.
to.
If you add these two, then 4x plus 2y you will get, right? Subtract this.
Okay,
So
okay. Yes, sir.
subtract this. Then 2x will be
2x is
40. So
okay.
x will
Then
be
x will be 40 and
x will be
y will be
20.
10. Okay, x will be
2x will
20.
just
Yeah, x will
yes,
be 20 and y will be 30.
yes. All right.
Yes, sir.
Please solve all the steps. All right. I'll have to scroll down after this. All right. Draw the graphs on your own paper and see if you can do all the steps. All right. We already have the coordinates of A, C, and O. So we found B. All right. Solve it till now. Tell me when you're done.
Yes, sir.
All right. As soon as you find corner points, all you have to do is draw a table. All right. Corner points and z equals to 4x plus y. All right. Remember this equation which I told you you have to need this like in the last moment. So origin is 0, 0. Put 0, 0 in this equation. So you will get z equals to 0. And A, can you tell me the coordinates of A? Is it 0, 30?
Yes, sir.
So if you put this, you will get 30 into 4,
30.
120. 120, right?
X 4x, right? So 4 to
Yes,
0.
4 into 3 is 12. And y is, sorry, my bad. You will get 30.
30 is x, y, right?
Yes, yes, my bad. And what is the coordinate of B? We found 20, 30, I guess.
20, 30, yes, sir.
So
Will
what
be
would be the
110.
value?
110.
And what is C?
30, 0. 120.
X is 30 here, so 120, right?
Yes, sir, 120.
120. So you just have to look at the maximum value. Maximum value is at
Yes, sir,
C.
C.
So the answer will be
30, 0.
yes, the corner point C. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So I hope this is absolutely clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. Special case, right on special case. Sometimes what will happen is you will get two values. What I mean by this, suppose this was also 120. Then what we will say? The line joining B and C. All right. The whole line segment is the solution. All right. Is it clear?
Sir.
Two corner points B and C having maximum value, then line segment B and C will be the solution. I hope it is absolutely clear.
Yes, sir.
Please note it down. Table and the special case.